Love is neither a tale nor a game. Love is such a powerful torrent that nobody can stand in front of it. Love is such a blazing fire which, when it blazes up, burns away everything except the beloved. Love is the soul of the soul of the soul of the universe. Love is the beginning and the end. Love is eternal, infinite, and everlasting. Love is the energizing elixir of the universe. Love is the cause and effect of all harmonies. Love is the alchemy of transformation. Love is the cure. Love is the power. Love is the magic of changes. Love is the life-giving garden of the world. Love is the water of life. Love is the ocean of grace. Love is the pearl lost on the ocean floor. Love is the gold mine. Love is the hidden treasure. Love is the fire that never stops burning. Love is the way messengers from the mystery tell us things. So, the first point to get the law of attraction's blessings soonest, you guys will have to love the whole mankind first. And also, you will have to take care of animals, birds, even plants and trees as well. In short, you will have to love to every creation of the God Almighty. So, in the next video, we will discuss about the next point of the law of attraction. Take care of yourself always. God bless you all. Goodbye.